Good morning, guys. After a long time, we are with each other today. Guys, we are discussing about the topics that is initial and that is basically related to the computers. Okay? And guys, I have to tell you that in the previous videos, I got complaint that you give this suggestion to me that there are some sound problems and sound qualities are not good. So I am using headphone and I hope that it will be better for you. So guys, today we are going to discuss input device and output device. Okay? So first I have to say input device. What is input device? Input device is that device of computer that is responsible for entering the data, that is responsible for feeding the data into the computer. I hope that you are getting it. Okay? In plus put, there are two words, in and put. When we add both words, it will give you the result. Input and the thing that is happening with this, it is called input device. So we will discuss what are there are so many devices that are coming in category of input device, but there are some important things that you can see. First one is keyboard. Keyboard is the most important input device. Whatever we enter into the computer, like ABCD, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are so many types of different symbols also. We can every type of typing. We can enter all the types of data with the help of keyboard device. As you can see, there are so many types of keyboards like normal keyboard, multimedia keyboard, additional keyboards, and there are so many more. Okay. Second one is mouse. Mouse is also a very important input device. It is also not clicking device. Whatever we work with the help of keyboard, we also can with mouse. Mouse, exactly, it is used to point anything, to open any folder, to click anything, to drag anything into the computer like this. And there are one major difference between keyboard and my mouse. I have to tell you, when we want to type anything, we must use keyboard. But when we want to click, when we want to open, close, shut everything with the help of clicking, on that condition we have to use mouse. There are 3 categories of mouse, 4 categories of mouse, and the rest 2 types of mouse are you can in this era, in this time you cannot see. In mouse categories you can see first one is normal mouse, second one is scroll mouse, third one is optical mouse, and now finally we are using wireless optical mouse. Okay, so all the mouses have the same word, but one difference is in normal mouse there are not any lens like this. When you will see the mouse in the round side, you will see a ball. When it will rub on the surface, it will work. Okay, in scroll mouse there are a button upside of mouse. When you scroll like this, it will move the page horizontally and vertically. Okay, and optical mouse, in optical mouse you will see a lens down side of mouse, it will touch. You cannot use the scroll mouse and normal mouse except a plain surface like this table, like this board. Okay, but optical mouse you can use to put it here, and put it on your leg also. Anywhere you want to use, you can keep your mouse, optical mouse, and you can use. And last one is a wireless mouse. In wireless mouse you can see all the work of optical mouse we can see with the help, we can do with the help of wireless mouse. Okay, but one thing that there is not any wire. There is no need to connect the wire with there is no need to connect the wire like this is our CPU and this is our mouse. Okay, so there is no need to connect this. Okay, in scroll mouse, in normal mouse, in optical mouse we have to create a relation like this, like a wire should be input here. But in the next phase you can see in wireless mouse there is no need for this. Okay, wire must be absent. Only one adapter will be here, and your optical mouse will work. So guys, I hope that you are getting me. Joystick also also in input device. It is used to play the games into the computer. Light pen is also a very important input device, but it is not a common use output input device because of something. It is used to draw the figures. Like architects are using this very much. Next one is MICR. MICR, it means magnetic ink character reader, and second one is OMCR, optical mark character reader. In MICR, magnetic ink character reader, when you will go to the bank to submit any check, you know, I hope that you will check. When you will submit any check and you want to cash first, the bank employee will take 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 20 or maybe. So MICR is a special purpose input device. When we submit the checks into the bank, it will the bank employees will insert the check into the MICR machine. It will recognize that it is good, it is bad. Okay, it will decide, and it will finally decide that what type of check is genuine or it is fake. Okay, OMCR is OMCR, optical mark character reader. Okay, optical mark character reader. I hope that you are facing, you have been faced so many times of competitive exams like one day exam, 3 days, 4 day, and monthly exams. In that condition, you are not getting a written answer book. You will get a OMR sheet, that is optical mark reader sheet. You just fill the question and answer like this. You fill all the options like this. Okay, so all the types of OMR sheet is always being checked by the help of OMCR. The next one is sound synthesizer. I hope that guys, if you will see the Visual Studio or Audio Studio, Video Studio, you will see a machine like this. There will be a machine, there may be some ports, okay, and there may be some handles like this, okay, like this. This machine is used for adjusting the sound. Like this, it can move here, it can move here, it can move like this, and this one is also. I hope that you are getting me. You can see in movies, you can see in videos also. Okay, next one, last one is biometric sensor. Biometric sensor, you can see when you will go to any bank, when you will go to any school, when you will go to any private or government offices, there you will see a machine like this. Okay, there may be some buttons. Okay, and there may be a scanner like this. It will be a scanner. Okay, when you will insert your thumb here, it will scan. It means it is used to this machine, biometric sensor. It is also using for attendance. Okay, for employees in organizations, in schools, in hospitals, and any government and private offices. When the employee come to the school, they will give the some thumb sign, and when they are going to leave the institution or organization, they will leave the thumb sign. It means it will show that it will, and this machine will connect it to the computer. What time you insert, you just touch your thumb here, it will insert, it will read that what time you are coming and what time you are going to leave the organization. So guys, I hope that you all are getting me. It will be long video, but I have to complete this so much. Next one is output device. What is the output device? As input device is responsible for entering the data, in the same way the output device is displaying the results. Okay, output device is responsible for displaying the results in that form the human being can understand. Because of one thing, after entering the data into the CPU, if computer will gives us the result in his own language, the human being are not able to understand. So output device is responsible for displaying the desired results in that form the human being can understand. It means it should be the output must be in the human language. Okay. now I have to tell you what are the categories of output. Yes, in output device also, just like input device, there are so many devices, but mostly the three major devices are the major devices that we are using. I have to explain. First one is monitor. It is also called VDU, visual display unit. Okay. Here, for example, you can see the computer screen and TV. In TV, you can see LED TV, LCD TV, and there are so many types of TVs. TV is a very good example for VDU. It means visual display unit, or you can say monitor. In the same way, you can see the computers. There are black and white monitor. It is also called monochrome monitors, and except this, you can see LCD monitors, LED monitors. Like this, in the same, it is just like it is working same like TV. Now at this time we are using the smart TV, that is LED TV, network TV, or smart TV. In smart TV, we can connect to our computer, we can connect our mobile phones, and we can do everything whatever we want. Okay, suppose you have a computer at your home, you have a smartphone at your home, and you don't have monitor. On that condition, what you have to do? You just go with your TV. Okay. Next one is printer. In printer, it is also a very important output device. First, one thing I have to tell you in monitors, with the help of monitor or with the help of monitor, whatever the output we are getting, it is called soft copy output. Okay, it is called soft copy output, the output that we get from the monitor. Second one is printer. In printer is also a very important output device. It is also responsible for responsible for displaying the results, but on the paper. Whatever the output we are getting with the help of monitor, if you want to take print like this, on paper, in that condition we have to use printer. In printer there are two categories that I have to tell you. First one is impact printer, and second one is non-impact printer. Okay. After this session, I am going to tell you that what are the categories and what are the criteria for impact printer, and it is what is non-impact printer. Okay. Printer is responsible for printing all the desired results that we are getting with the help of monitor, and it is also two types. Like the first one is impact printer and non-impact printer, and last one is very important that I have to tell you that printer, the output that we get with the help of printer, it is called hard copy output. Recently I told you the output that we get from the monitor, it is called soft copy output, and the output that we get with the help of printer, it is called hard copy output. And last one is the speaker. I hope that you all are very much aware with the speaker. You can see the work of speaker in your TV, in your mobile phones, and there are so many devices. All the electronic devices that gives us sound, like tape recorder, okay, like TV, like mobile phones. Mobile phone may be normal mobile phone, or multimedia, or Android phones. All the sound that we use, that we get from the electronic components, all the output devices that we listen with the help of our ear, everything is possible due to the speaker. In speaker there are two categories that I have to tell you. First one is normal, and second one is woofer. And there are so many categories that doesn't matter, and I am not going to explain all these things. Okay, so guys, I hope that you all are enjoying this class. This was all about input device, output device, and its categories. Tomorrow we will discuss with another device. Okay, thank you.